Hey everyone, how's it going? Happy Chinese New Year. Now, this year is the year of the rat. So today I want to show you guys how to draw a version of the Chinese New Year in a Zodiac Rat style. Now, to mix this up, I'm going to actually be using a red Sharpie because lots of the designs are actually done in red. Now, to begin with this, we're going to start with the eye. So starting right about here, I'm just going to draw a little circle and I'm just going to color it in. Now, starting right here above the circle, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and up like this. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then, or kind of curve in and then down a little bit. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line and then just color it in for the nose. Then starting here, I'm going to continue this line down and I'm going to draw down and then I just want to kind of curve up like this for an arm. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down and then I'm just going to kind of curve around like this. Now, starting up here by the head, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and then it's going to come back like this for the ear. And then I'm just going to connect this line up towards the ear. Then starting here, I'm going to draw another line that's just going to kind of curve down and back towards the body. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and then I'm just going to kind of come back and bring it right towards the body for a little foot. Then on here, I'm going to draw a couple little lines that just kind of go down for some little claws on the rat. Then right here, I'm going to do the same thing, just put a few of them, probably about 3, for some claws on the foot. Now, starting right here, I want to add the tail. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then I'm just going to kind of curl it around like this. And then starting here, I'm going to do that same curl, and I want it to come to a little skinny point in here. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm just going to kind of curve this around and get it a little bit skinnier as I come into here. Now, starting right here, I want to add a couple little whiskers for our rat. And then this is our basic design of our rat. Now, what I want to do is I want to add some little symbols and little details on here just to kind of make this look a little bit more interesting and kind of give it a little bit of like a Zodiac feel. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve to here. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this here. And then I'm just going to draw a few little kind of pointed lines right down here. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this one, just a few little lines down. Then starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down the back here. And then I'm just going to put some little bumps right along here, just for some little details. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a little circle. And then I'm going to put another line right around it. And then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that curves up and down. And then another one here. And then I'm just going to keep doing this and all the way until here, just to kind of create a little flower design. I'm going to add some small little curved lines on the top of here. And then I'm just going to make some little bumps that go right around the top of this. And then I'm going to add one more right around the top here. Just kind of like a little flower design. Right here on the arm, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve to here. And then I'm just going to draw two lines that just go down. And then I'm just going to make some kind of like little curved lines right in here. Now, starting right up here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curl up to here. And then another one that's just going to curl to here. And then I'm just going to put some small little bumps on the end of it. And then same thing over here. I'm going to add some little lines in between here. Kind of like some little dot shapes. And then I'm just going to make a little line that just kind of goes up and then down, right in the center. Then I'm just going to add a little curved line right here by the nose. And then I'm just going to make one more little one right there. Then I'm going to take this line and then kind of curve it up into here and then come back. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Zodiac Rat for the Year of the Rat and the Chinese New Year. Now there's lots of different designs and everything that you could add to this and do different things, but that's just a quick little simple design. So I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.